In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate a LinkedIn account. If you're trying to get back into LinkedIn, the process depends on what happened to your profile before you lost access. In general, there are three common situations: a hibernated account, a closed account, or a restricted account. The good news is that all of them begin in essentially the same place, by going to LinkedIn's website and attempting to sign in with your account details. Let's start with a hibernated account. If you previously chose to hibernate your LinkedIn profile, that means the account was temporarily hidden rather than permanently deleted. To reactivate it, go to the LinkedIn login page and sign in using the same email address and password linked to the account. One important detail here is timing. You need to wait at least 24 hours after hibernating the account before trying to log back in. If you attempt it too soon, reactivation may not work properly. Once that waiting period has passed, signing in should begin the reactivation process. Now, if your account was closed completely, the process is a little more time-sensitive. LinkedIn allows you to reopen a closed account only within 14 days of closing it. To do this, visit LinkedIn, sign in with the account credentials you used before, and then click the Reactivate option when it appears. If you're within that 14-day window, this is usually the fastest way to restore access. If more than 14 days have already passed, reactivation may no longer be available through normal login. The third situation is a restricted account. If LinkedIn restricted your profile, you'll need to sign in and carefully follow the identity verification prompts shown on screen. These prompts are there to confirm that you are the rightful owner of the account. Make sure the information you provide matches your account details as closely as possible. If you're still unable to get back in after completing those prompts, the next step is to submit a formal request through the LinkedIn support form and follow their instructions from there. So, to wrap it up, even though the exact recovery path depends on whether your account was hibernated, closed, or restricted, they all lead back to the same starting point. Go to linkedin.com and log in with your account details. From there, LinkedIn will guide you through the appropriate reactivation method based on your account status. That's all.